Hello everyone, welcome back to Beauty Meets DIY. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope everyone's doing great today. So today I bring to you a very simple candle holder flower centerpiece, and you're going to be needing these two glass tea light holders from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using the taller one because they come in two different sizes. You're also going to need these candle stands, and they come in black originally, and I spray painted them with the Rust-Oleum metallic gold spray paint. I also went ahead and I think I got in Walmart this 2-pack of these styrofoam balls, and I cut them in half. So when you glue them on, make sure you glue them along the edge there, because the candle holder does slope in and it doesn't sit flush to the styrofoam ball. So you want to focus on gluing it on the edge most especially. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply my flowers. I went ahead and cut off the stems of these flowers. I don't know what I was thinking, guys, but that's not a good mistake. I mean, that's not a good thing. You want to leave some of the stem on so you can stick it in the styrofoam ball. And so now I had to work with what I had, and later on the flowers were falling off, so that wasn't a good thing. So I suggest that you leave some of the stem so you can you know, have something to work with. So now I'm just showing you here that not to glue it on the what's left of the stem, but just on the base there, so you have something to glue on the styrofoam ball. And that's kind of like how I got it to hold in place. So here I'm just finishing up placing my flowers. I am not a florist by any means, guys. I'm just doing the best I can. Basically, I just place the same flower across from each other, and then on the opposite side I do the same, and then I layer it on with another flower using the same pattern basically. So here again, I'm just finishing up, and when I think it looks, you know, decent the way you see here, now we're moving on, and we're gonna flip the glass tea light holder upside down like you see here, and that's how we're gonna glue it on. And you can use E6000 for this if it's a permanent thing for you guys. I suggest you do that, but for video purposes I am just using my hot glue gun. So yeah, I flipped it over, and had I left it the way it originally it's supposed to stand, when I wouldn't have access to the tea light because I'm gluing it on, so I wouldn't be able to turn on and off the tea light. So I decided to turn it upside down, and so I'm using these glitter tea light holders from the Dollar Tree, and I'm trimming it down because if you don't, it's just gonna tilt over. The tea light is too tall, so I had to trim it down some. And once I got it to size, then I went ahead and inserted it, and it stands just fine. So now we're going to apply our acrylic gems. You've seen me use this before in my previous video. It comes 16 feet long. I will link it down below for you guys. But I started out with a ring and 2 beads and a teardrop. Those teardrops I got from Joann's. And then in between the teardrop, after the teardrop, I counted 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, like you see there. And then I placed another teardrop, and then I continued on with 4. So we're going to loop it through using the first ring as you see here, and then I have my 2 beads, a teardrop, and then 1, 2, and then the ring. You loop it through, and then again 2 beads, the teardrop, another 2 beads, and then the ring, and then you loop it through, and so on. Guys, give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying this video so far. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I really appreciate your support. Please give me a comment and let me know what you think about this simple piece. It's very simple, but I think it's something that you can add maybe to a bigger centerpiece, maybe at a wedding, a bridal shower, or even in your vanity, or even in your living room, maybe in your council table, where in your living room or by the entrance. I think it's so pretty, and yeah, I do really love the way it turned out. And if you do too, please let me know in the comment section below, and like I said, give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I hope that you recreate it, and if you do, let me know how it works out for you guys, and I will see you in my very next video coming really soon, guys. Bye. Take care.